Hello, Dr. John Shieh here, and I want to share with you some information about female intimate wellness. One of the things that happens for women as they age is that they have incontinence, and that's inability to control your urine. When you cough or you sneeze, the pee just leaks out. But along with that also comes vaginal laxity, dryness, and loss of sensation. The regenerative approach that we utilize at RejuvaYou is to help restore the tissues to a healthier state, try to bring back what was lost. And our approach is called the V shot. And the V shot is utilizing PRP, which is platelet rich plasma. Platelet rich plasma is drawn from your own blood. It is concentrated, separated from the red blood cells and the platelets, and the growth factors are concentrated into an injection that we place into the anesthetized vaginal tissues. These growth factors help to restore the tissues to a healthier state, improving the collagen, helping improve the elasticity, helping take care of the laxity, improves blood flow and therefore lubrication, as well as helping with nerve function and therefore sensation. And all of these tissues help support the urethra and the bladder so that incontinence also improves. So if this is something that you or someone you know can benefit from, please reach out to us at RejuvaYou, and we'd be happy to give you more information.